Welcome to the creator. This is a quick video to show how to exploit port 1524 Ingreslock. First, I want to ping the target system, which is 10.1.1.100 to make sure there is connectivity. Next, I will use a nmap scan to scan the target system's IP address. My specific port, Ingreslock, is open, and I will use that for exploitation. Next, I'm going to use the Netcat command to connect to the IP address 10.1.1.100 on port 1524. I've gained access into the system. Type ls and -l to view the current directory in long form. Type ls and then / red team look here. There's a shadow file within this directory, and now we're going to display it using cat / red team look here / shadow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.